Hi, Jennifer here, sharing from the garage a little bit more about NaturSolve and some of the crazy cool things we can all be doing to help us hold on to our lifestyles while revitalizing the planet. So, we were trying to think of a slick, smooth slogan for a presentation we were recently doing at NaturSolve, and one that didn't quite make the cut but is relevant today was all natural products to deal with the toughest issues from the waste down. So today we're going to be talking about waste and some of the things that NaturSolve can do to help out with it. So similar to the Dewey Decimal System back in the day that was useful for categorizing information and sorting it so it was useful, we now have recycling that can help us to categorize and sort through our waste products and get them put back into use, making them useful. So we have decided to talk today about NaturSolve's ability to break down other waste types, things like biological waste, green waste, industrial waste. How do we do it? So NaturSolve has two main products. We've added two more I'll talk to about in a minute. And the first one is WaterMix. We also have Soil Mix. They're virtually the same product. WaterMix is a little bit heavier concentrate so that we can get to tough greases, oils, and fats in wastewater and other food-related processes. So what do we do with these products at NaturSolve that makes us so unique? So these liquid products, these are made out of a very thick hyperconcentrate. You can see this product is super thick. We're not shipping you water, and you need very little to have a really big impact. And impact means a few different things. Both in soil and water, we can render chemicals inert, breaking them apart at their chemical bonds and making them benign and safe back in the environment. We can also treat for pathogens and E. coli, which helps you to reuse topsoil from animals or for wastewater effluent to be safer in our environments. We can also treat the entire trail of hydrocarbons, which means we can help on oil spills, and heavy metals, which means we can help farmers bounce back from some of these new requirements and the heavy lead found in a lot of areas, as well as places like mine site treatment processes. Now, those are all industrial level uses, but what can we do at home? What is it that we can do to help stabilize the ecology and bounce back our own environment? So we don't have to go back to the days of the Pilgrim, nor do we have to have decades-long practices set out for us to get our soil and our water back. We can use beneficial biology in just about any environment. Our new mixes that I wanted to share was saltwater mix and a new oxygen-deprived mix for things like porta-johns and other areas like lagoons where oxygen's not really available. So we're going to help to break down waste, like the chemicals, like the hydrocarbons, like the heavy metals, but we're also going to rapidly compost. So at home, obviously, if you have a compost bin and you want to speed that process up while introducing beneficial biology, soil mix or water mix is going to be right for you. If you want to use it in your general environment, say your lawn, to drastically cut down on water use or eliminate fertilizers. In your garden, it's safe to use on plants, beneficial for bees, and always good for your kids and your pets. I've licked it off my finger many a times, had to prove it to many a city councils, and we've done testing since 2014 to make sure that we keep everything down to the tiniest little fish egg healthy. We do work in some fish farms. So whether you have algae in your water or waste in your yard, biology can help to speed up processes that were just slowed down a little bit when we started to introduce all the chemicals and things that the Industrial Revolution brought about. So if you want to keep hold of your lifestyle and let industry run neck and neck with nature, learn more about what we do. There's a link below, natursolve.com, that covers kind of the gamut. And then we've also started a new water mix specific site to show some of the benefits that we're having in waterways, like the reduction or complete elimination of cyanobacteria and other algae in 14 to 21 days. So natural treatments are the way to go. They'll benefit the ecology around you. They're good for the long-term use. You'll need less and less as you go on, as the environment stabilizes, and we'll have a healthier lifestyle, healthier planet, and happier communities. So thank you very much for listening. I appreciate the opportunity to share and hope to see you again. Hit the subscribe for me if you will, and follow along as we share more uses, how-tos from those in my network, and some more technical information that our technical team has helped to put out around specific industries like pond maintenance and landscaping to help really dial in the different applications and ways that you can grow with NaturSolve. Thank you. Until next time.